Hi, this is J.P. Ferner, and welcome to my meditation on gratitude, a guided meditation video. This time of year reminds me how incredibly important gratitude is. In fact, my family has a tradition where we go around the table during Thanksgiving dinner and share what we are grateful for. In continuing with that tradition, I would like to share with you something that I have a great deal of gratitude for. This may sound cliche, but I am truly grateful for all of my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch all of my meditation videos, especially this gratitude meditation video. I'm dedicating this video to you. Now let's get started with this gratitude meditation. Please make sure you are somewhere safe where you may close your eyes and possibly fall asleep. Let's begin by sitting down in a comfortable, dignified manner with your hands resting gently in your lap. Take a few deep, relaxing breaths, letting your chest rise and fall with each inhalation and exhalation. And when ready, let your eyes drift down and gently close. And now allowing your body to breathe naturally. Try not to control the breath and simply observe it and allow it to happen naturally. And feeling the air as it enters and exits your body through your nostrils. And each time you exhale, releasing any and all tension from your body. And on your next exhale, settle your attention to the area around your heart. And remember a time in your life when you felt an incredible amount of love and gratitude. I want you to really focus on these feelings of love and gratitude. Let them wash over you completely. Nothing else exists but these feelings of love and gratitude. And with your attention on your heart center, I'd like you to bring to mind an experience when you felt incredibly grateful for something or someone. Allowing this gratitude to resonate with your entire being. And while vibrating with this sublime feeling of gratitude, you now fully realize how completely and utterly grateful you are. You are an embodiment of gratitude. Now, I would like you to repeat after me, either out loud or in your mind, whichever feels right. And when you repeat these words, I want you to believe in them with every fiber of your being. I am grateful for this moment. I am so powerful. I can achieve anything I set my heart and mind to. I joyfully embrace each new day with gratitude. I am grateful for my dreams and desires because I know that they are manifesting now. I am worthy of being loved, being happy, and doing what brings me joy. Every day, I'm going to work on being more mindful of all the small blessings that I should be thankful for. I am so grateful for discovering my power to create the reality I love. I give thanks that my request has already been fulfilled. I'm always going to be able to find something to appreciate around me. Each day, even if it's for just a few minutes, I'm going to stop and be grateful for all of life's beauty. My life isn't perfect, but I am blessed with the privileges that I am grateful for. I am seeing improvements, and I am grateful for all of them. I live in a constant state of gratitude. I am thankful for slow, relaxing mornings. I am thankful for learning and growing. I am thankful for my pets and their unconditional love. I am thankful for myself. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing amounts from various sources in fun and enjoyable ways on a consistent basis. I am grateful for my best friend. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Thank you, universe, for the fun, wealth, joy, and fulfillment that is on the way. I have been very blessed in this lifetime. I can make all my dreams come true if I truly believe and take action. I am so happy and grateful now that financial ease, flow, and abundance feel completely natural to me. My life continues to get better and better each and every day. I am always grateful. For the best possible results, I encourage you to listen to this video every evening before bed and every morning after you wake up. You will be truly amazed at how powerful this gratitude meditation is. I would encourage you to listen to it every morning and every evening for at least 30 days. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of my future videos. Thank you.